Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another Rotary men's watch review. So let's get right to it, shall we? So initial look at the box, obviously outside cover, simple cardboard cover with that Rotary print embossed in the side. Nice army style green Rotary box with a simple lift off lid. Nice silver, bit of silvery grey sort of style detailing around the inside of the box. Nice smooth texture, not too heavy in weight. All of our cushions and paperwork all included as well. So here we go guys, this is the Rotary Gents Henley Pepsi GMT 42mm. So you've got a 11mm case diameter, retails at around about £135, weighs 160 grams, so it's a little bit slightly heavier than the industry's sort of standard homage watch to this style, and operates on a quartz movement, as you can see from the ticking hand just here. So let's have a look at the face, shall we? So the face is a standard black non-sunray style dial with fully luminous increment system. Doesn't quite follow the traditional Pepsi style increment system that you see on Rolex and Pagani design, Tissot and stuff like that, that has the different shape system. This one has a very, very consistent shapes, very, very consistent, go around the inside of the face. A nice small date dial here with no Cyclops eye, also a unique feature. And obviously fully luminous straight hands and an extra long GMT hand. Full mirror finish inside the casing as well, and a full ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal to go hand in hand. The bezel itself follows an older style increment system on a Rolex Pepsi, so if you look at a year 2000 Pepsi, you may see the number system follows the same sort of style in terms of how the numbers look. But if you were to compare this to a 2023 one, the 2023 Pepsi, the numbers look thicker and bigger on the actual bezel. In terms of the colours, they haven't really changed much over the years, but the numbers are a bit more defined on this one, on the new ones. Sorry. Still unidirectional, again industry standard, but seems to have a slightly cheaper clicker system underneath here. Just how it moves around the face, it seems a bit more tinny. So coming out to the casing, we've got a full mirror style casing and mirror style crown, and sits on a also perpetual style strap with that two-tone metallic finish. So you've got a mirror finish in the middle and a line finish on the outside. The strap itself is adjustable by little tiny screws on the outside here as well. Often you see the Pepsi on a Jubilee strap. I personally prefer the Jubilee strap because I feel like it molds better to the wrist. But I think Rotary are going their own separate way with this style, because judging by how they've designed the whole thing, they've put a little bit of unique taste to each of it, giving it more of an old-fashioned classic look. So I've got the crown movement. Crown seems a bit smaller than the other ones. A nice decent movement to the actual date dial, and a good movement to the GMT hand as well. Second position, the crown itself is a very, very nice crown, nice and secure in place. Slightly flimsy on the movement to the hands, but it's no problem. Screw this back in place if we can. It seems a little bit harder to use, this crown, compared to the other ones, like other homage Pepsi watches. So let's go around to the back and have a look at the back plate. So, got nice celebrating over 125 years of watchmaking. Waterproof to 100 metres as well, as you can see from the back plate, and just a bit more information about the model number and stuff like that. Full stainless steel, as we can expect. Coming down to the clasp, we've got a hidden clasp here with a push button double deployment system on the side with a butterfly style clasp. So sorry, we got a bit of plastic over the top of it. I'm not going to try and remove that. I'm just going to show you briefly inside there. So you've got a nice stainless steel finish there inside the butterfly clasp. Let's push that down. Again, don't want to break that. Let's put it on, see how it looks. So there we go guys, that is the Rotary Gents Henley Pepsi GMT.